joining us on this week's edition of What is OEM Wednesday. We are going to take a look at the International Association of Emergency Management Conference. Whew, that's a mouthful.
Yeah.
That was held in Savannah, Georgia last week. We asked the question, what is emergency management? Let's see what happened. A few members of the Fort Worth OEM team traveled to the conference. There were presentations on everything from writing grants to providing psychological first aid to survivors of disaster and the first responders that help them. This annual conference is a chance for hundreds of emergency managers from across the world to come together, share their knowledge, teach best practices, and see where this field is going by learning where we have been. So, we asked the question.
Hi, I'm Renata Garrison. I'm with the City of Beaverton Department of Emergency Management, which is just outside of Portland, Oregon, on the West Coast. And so emergency management to me is a lot like parenting. So parenting and emergency management are both caretaker kind of profession vocations. And so I found with both, it's really important to build a team and use them. So use your network, your people, also to triage. There's so many things coming at us. It's really important to triage. Be creative. We're not always going to have what we need in emergency management. So think of other possibilities besides the obvious. And then really just know that you're making a difference. Emergency management, we don't get thanked a lot. And we're only recognized when things go wrong. But know that it's important and what you're doing does make a difference.
I'm Chris Ainsworth. I'm from Adelaide in South Australia, and I teach at Central Queensland University. I'm a lecturer in emergency and disaster management. My main focus is looking at the next generation of emergency managers. What's my focus on emergency management or definition? It's making sense out of chaos and the insensible.
All right. So my name is Sam Adams. I'm the Emergency Management Director for the University of Rhode Island. And to me, emergency management is lots of things, but if I had to sum it up in a 20-second version, I would say that it's a process and a structure for bringing people together to coordinate their efforts and work on things, to deal with things that they don't normally deal with on a day-to-day basis. So above and beyond for all manner of public safety and first responders and non-traditional partners like facilities, hospitals, etc.
Hi, City of Fort Worth. This is Romeo Laverius, City of Miramar. What is emergency management? To me, emergency management, very simple. Bringing everything back to normal. Everyone wants one thing, whether they're old, young, black, white, rich, poor, everybody wants one thing in the aftermath of a disaster. Bring my life back to normal, and that's our job.
So we asked emergency managers from across the globe to answer the question, what is emergency management? And we got 4 different answers.
So as you can see, this is a pretty special field, emergency management, and that's why we do this weekly segment.
Oh, what is OEM?
You got it. Let's keep learning every Wednesday. So until next time, I'm Kristen.
I'm Selena.
Stay safe, Fort Worth.